Hello. So we don't have a normal lesson today. If you dig a little bit, you will get to this, which is next. It is an assessment. So I'm going to read through this. I'm not going to send out a normal lesson. You're going to do this on your own. And I think what I might do, since it's 2 pages long, is I'm going to do side A and read it to you today and have you work through that, and then side B, I'll read through that tomorrow and have you do that. So now the other thing that was in there kind of near your assessment was something that looked like this. And what this is, we've practiced something like this before, but it's actually to help with multiplication. So it's pretty much like practicing counting by 5s, counting by 4s, counting by 2s or 8s. And I think there's enough for, I think they're all here. So what you can do is you go and if we're counting by 6s, which is a tricky one to memorize, 6s, 7s, and 8s are always the trickiest one to memorize. But you go to the 6, highlight it, or circle it with your pencil maybe, because it's easy to make mistakes on these. Count 6 more, get to the 12, circle it. Count 6 more, get to the 18, circle it. And what you're going to find on every single one of these, because math is just patterns, is you're going to find it makes a pattern on every hundreds chart. So if you get time after you have done side A, I want you to choose one of these to do. And then do another one tomorrow. So yeah, it's just counting bys. And we actually have count by sheets in your math journal too, if that helps you. And if you get done with, say, counting by 6s on here, and you want to put it in your math journal, turn to the count by page in your math journal and write down the numbers that you circled, because it will help you, page 23, it will help you later on to go and look and see, oh, 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, and this will help you with your multiplication later on too. Okay, this is just another way to figure out multiplication if a multiplication chart isn't always the handiest. So there you go. That, and then real quick, let's read through side A on your assessment. So number 1, the name line actually says measure this line segment using millimeters. And actually, while we go through this, I'm going to underline words while we go through this. I want you to underline the same words as me so that you can find the keywords when you go back and do it yourself. Also, if you want to, you can pause the video after I read each one, figure it out for yourself, and then we'll move on to the next one. Just play it again. Measure this line segment using millimeters. Measure this line segment using centimeters. Tim walks his dog 3 times a day. How many times will he walk his dog in 1 week? So 3 times a day, you have to figure out how many days that is in 1 week and write a number sentence to figure out how many times that is. How many times will he walk his dog in 100 days? So first you're going to figure out for this many days, then you're going to figure out for 100 days and still use that 3 times a day. Number sentences, the label on these, you could probably just use the word times or walks. Number 2, Tim has an appointment for his dog to visit the vet 10 days from today. So you are going to figure out what is 10 days from today. And when I'm sending this out, the date is 12 dash, nope, it's not. It's going to be Monday the 30th. Okay. I want you to pretend like you're getting this or doing this on 12-1-20. I want you to pretend like you're doing this assignment on Tuesday, even if you happen to open this video up on Monday. okay? So we're going to say today is 12-1. You're going to figure out 10 days from today. What is the date of his appointment? Measure this line segment using inches. Draw a 2 3/4 inch line segment. Now don't forget that little dot dot up there means inches. 2 3/4 inch line segment from right here. I believe you have a ruler, just a paper ruler I stuck in the front cover of your math journal. If you don't have that right now, you can look for, oh, my phone's giving me a little alarm here. You can look for a tape measure in the basement or the garage, or see if you can find a ruler or something like that around your house. Number 4, write each number in expanded form. So expanded form is the hundreds plus the tens plus the ones, and you separate out this number, right? It's 3:42 in the afternoon. So this is important to know what time it is. This is important to know if it's AM or PM. Show the time on the clock, and then write the time using digits. So 3:42 in the afternoon. What time was it 1 hour ago? And ago means back up an hour, right? 1 hour ago. So that is all you need to do for today. I will send you outside B tomorrow. And also do one of those hundreds charts on those comp by sheets. Have a great afternoon.